Hello everyone, this is my Mercedes C220 CDI 2010 year, and it's in the UK number plate. We are in our home's back street. Today I will show you how to change DPF sensor as well as how to clean the DPF with the DPF cleaner liquid. This won't be like a mechanic job, but still it will save you money if you can do as I instruct you in the video. I will instruct you step by step, and when you need to clean your DPF or you need to change the DPF sensor, you can follow this video, and it will save your money which you pay to mechanic. Okay, I hope this video will help. There will be quite few mistakes in there, but obviously I'm doing at home, so it will still help you to do your job. Okay, let's start. You need only these basic tools for this job, not many tools. First of all, you need this ratchet, is 8 mm star. Then after that you need this ratchet, is a 22 mm star. So basically you need these two things, plus you need this spanner. This is 8 mm spanner, one flat screwdriver and one small flat screwdriver. So basically these 1 2 3 4, these 4 tools are important. This 22 mm and 8 mm and 8 mm spanner and one flat screwdriver. So this one is hard to find, but you can borrow from any mechanic friend, or you can buy yourself 22 mm with the long bar on that. Okay, let's start now. Remove this cover first. So what you have to do, first of all, remove this part, and then you need to remove this part, then this pipe, and then you need to go back here to see the DPF sensor. I'll show you the DPF sensor. Is there, you can't see clearly, but when I remove it, then you can see it clearly. It's hard to get to there, but we need to remove these parts to get there. Okay, I remove step by step. I show you how to remove these parts. First of all, we need to remove this control unit. It has 4 screws, and you need 8 mm star spanner or ratchet to remove these 4 screws. I've already loosened it, so I'll use without the main head. make sure to do it correctly and carefully, because if these screws fell down it will be hard to find underneath, so don't let it fall down. So all 4 screws removed. Now next step is to remove these cables, and many people don't know how to remove these clips, and they are a bit tricky one. So the rule for this is just pull from the bottom, and then slide up, pull out from the bottom and slide up, and they will come out like this. This one and this one is a bit tricky. We remove, pull from the bottom, one side with screwdriver, other side with the finger, and pull back up here. So that's removed. Those 2 clips need to be removed, but on my car they are already broken. So once they are removed, you can pick this up and put it on back here. That's one job done. Now we need to remove this duct, and for this, next is to remove this plug. With the screwdriver, pull this white thing on back. That's a lock. One is back, then pull the plug like this. So that's out. So that's the plug. We pull this, then pull the plug. That's a gray color lock. We pull this out with the screwdriver or something, then pull this out. That's removed. The next is we need to remove this pipe. So untight this screw of this clamp. That's untight, but before that I forgot to tell you, first thing we need to remove this one first, this pipe. For this, on this side, push this lock down, then pull it out. That's it, that's out. Then this lock, this is like this, it's a plastic lock. Turn this way and it will be out. That's it, that's out. Now pull this from here, that's out as well. So we remove this pipe. Next, remove this pipe. We have loosened the clamp. Now remove it, just pull it back like this. So that's back. Then pick this up. That's not tied with any screw or any solid thing. It's just stuck in there. Just pull it up. Up and toward your side, outside. That's it. Now it's removed. So these two clips were in there. It goes in here, one there. So these two goes in there. That's it. It's held with these only 2 hooks. So I put this back. Now that's a sensor. We need to remove this one. It's attached with the exhaust, and we need to remove this. But before that, we need to remove these cable of this. They are tied on here on the clamp. Pick up metal thing and pull it back here, then push this part down, then pull this back. That's disconnected. This is a clamp. We remove one cable from here, then other clamp we remove cable from here. Now it's free. And that's another clamp, just remove that. That's for support to keep a bend. Put this here, and so when you need to put fluid in DPF cleaner fluid, you need to remove this. Yeah, so need to remove this Lambert sensor, and there's a hole under there. Then you can put your DPF cleaner liquid in there to flush the DPF and to flush the exhaust. So you need a 22 mil spanner ratchet for that, and I open it for you. Hang on a minute. That's 22 mil ratchet. We'll put it in here. And you need to push it hard because they are usually stuck. And if you want, you can spray the WD-40 on there as well. It will make a big difference, but you need to push hard, anti-clockwise. That's it. Now remove that, and turn this anti-clockwise. That's Lambert sensor removed. Now you can see there is a hole in there. The liquid will go into this hole. I'm using this DPF professional cleaner liquid. Is 5 liter, and I bought it for about 22-23 pounds. And but the not good thing is that it need about 8 to 10 hours in there to work. And some these cleaners liquid, they work in about 2 to 3 hours, but I bought it for 8 to 10 hours by mistake, but doesn't matter, at least it does job. So this is the liquid which I'll be using. And as that's an awkward place, there is no I don't have a special pipes to put liquid in there, so I made this kind of gadget. That's a pipe, and I attach with this can and cut the can. That's a home remedy, so I've done this myself. Put the pipe in there, pipe end goes there, and this thing here, then we'll use this liquid, pour the liquid in there, it will go in the DPF. So I use that, so I've already put that in, just showing you just as a demonstration after putting in the DPF. So you can put this way, or you can use any pipe or anything. The main purpose is to pour whole this 5 liter liquid into the DPF. Once the liquid is in, then you can put this Lambert sensor back, tie this clockwise, tight this clockwise, and that's it. Now I tie it with the ratchet. is fully tight now. I'll remove it. Now the wire will go back. No, before the wire, I show you how to change the sensor, DPF sensor. That sensor is here. I show you. That's the sensor in there, this one with the cable and these two pipe underneath. One pipe is thinner, one is a bit wider, but both small pipes. This pipe goes to the beginning of DPF and other is at the end of the DPF, so both goes to the DPF. Now to make it easy, if we remove this supporting plate, then we can remove that sensor easily, because we can't put hand on there. There is a very narrow space to untie this screw. For that we need same 8 mm key, 8 mm ratchet. So I remove, there are 3 screws. We need to remove these 3 screws. Do this carefully because there is a chance they fell down in there. There is a very complicated place, this one. If they fell down, it's hard to get it back. So one screw, then the second one. Second screw and third is already off. These 3 screws. Now we remove this plate. After this plate we remove this. This is the sensor here. I remove the, there is only one screw on this DPF sensor. Just remove this. And some car have another one as well at the bottom, but you can easily see that when you are on this place. This screw is the same size, 8 mm, but it's a bit longer. Keep this separate, don't mix it up with the other one. So this plate is off now. We put on side. This is the DPF sensor. There is a cord on that and there's a plug. Unplug this. So I push it, pull it back, is here. That's removed, the connection is removed. These are 2 pipes and with the 2 clamps, and that's a sensor. I remove these 2 clamps. I've already untightened it. They are a bit tricky, but you can use screwdriver, a tiny screwdriver, and you can remove like this. You need a bit pushing and pulling, but you will know how to do it when you are on the stage. So usually they are done by any special plier type of thing, but I did with the screwdriver, so they are not that hard for me. So we remove small pipe first. That's it. Then big pipe. See, so this sensor is off now. This is the DPF sensor with 2 places for hose pipe, exhaust pipes, and one thicker, one a bit thinner. That's part number for my this item. So I put this away. These are the pipes, these two pipes. Now I put a new sensor in there. I bought this new sensor. So this small thing will go into small pipe, then the big one into the big pipe. Let's see, it's gone in. Now I put the clamps on that. So one clamp is on, and other clamp just with this type of plier. Yeah, that's in. You squeeze that. Yeah, both clamps are on. Now we need to put the plug back. That's the plug. Yeah, plug is back. Now Lambert sensor. Before Lambert sensor, we need to put this everything back. So what we have done now, we have put the DPF liquid in this place into DPF. We'll keep this for about 10 to 12 hours. Now we have replaced the DPF sensor, and now we are putting everything back. Job is done, but we are putting everything back step by step. We are following the reverse order now. So first of all, connect this sensor with this plate. There's one screw, and there is another clamp and screw which goes at the bottom part of this sensor on the pipes. Some cars have it and some don't, but mine have it, so I use it. That's tight enough. And now second one, that's tight enough as well. Now put this supporting plate back with the 3 screws. Then second screw at the bottom. Third screw in the middle. Now all 3 screws are in. Now we need to put this cable back. It will go from this clamp, then behind this, and then to second clamp. Then we need to join these 2 plugs. That's it. Now in here, see the plugs are in. Now we need to put this back. It. Yeah, that's settled in. Now this pipe in here, then this plug in as well. Okay, now we tight this hose with the clamp screw. Right, so this is tightened. Now next step is to put this hose on. So under this pipe, go like this, then go to this bait and push it in. First of all, this clamp, plastic clamp, then push this part in, then turn the plastic clamp here, then push this here. That's it. That's done. Now next step is this part. This clamp slides in like this. The other clamp slides in. That's it. Now 4 screws goes in this. There are 4 screws going back in the control unit. I tighten that one. So control unit is in now. Next, yeah, everything's done. DPF liquid is inside now, and the DPF sensor being replaced. All parts are on back now. Now we need to put the cover on top. So putting this top cover. Yeah. Push this in. Yeah, that's it. All done. Now to remove the liquid, DPF liquid which we put in 5 liter, to remove that, leave that for about 8 to 10 hours. After that, start the car. It will flush it back from back side of exhaust. We will do this after about 8 to 10 hours. Please wait till the 8 to 10 hour. Now you not waiting till 8 to 10 hour. We stop the video now and we will record the video of the result after 8 to 10 hour. Okay, stay with us. Now about 9 to 10 hour has been passed since we put the liquid inside. Now we need to start the car, then wait for the temperature go to 80 degrees, then we'll take the next step of checking and driving. Let's start the car. I haven't accelerated it yet, but the liquid is coming out. Once the temperature is up to 80, then I'll accelerate the car. Now temperature is gone up to 80 degrees. This means is right temperature to drive the car, and the sign, engine management sign for this DPF sensor is still on. Now we will go for about 10 minutes drive in third gear, 50 speed, about 40 to 50 speed, call a 50 miles per hour speed for 10 minutes in third gear. Then hopefully it will clean everything. I've drove this car on 50 speed limit. on this temperature at 80 degree and rev between 2 to 3 on the speedometer. I've drove it for 10 minutes and now we came back and I removed this sign, the fault code in engine management sign. I removed that manually. Now hopefully it's all done and dusted, so I'll keep driving as it is and I hope the fault code won't come back. It looks like, I'm sure it's been fixed. The DPF sensor has been fixed and DPF has been cleaned as well. Now I can feel clear changes in the car. It drives a bit faster. Thanks for watching this all video. I hope you like it and I hope you will fix your car by following these instructions. My best advice is again that you get it done by a mechanic, but if you want to try yourself, that's up to you, that's your own decision, but getting done by professional mechanic is my best advice. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that you could see my other videos as well, and please press the bell icon as well. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.